All right, let's look at this problem. We've got a cylindrical swimming pool that has a radius of 9 feet and a height of 4 feet. Which equation can be used to find V, the volume of the swimming pool, in cubic feet? Okay, the first thing I want to do, I'm going to highlight, this is just good practice to do. I'm going to highlight the things that we're probably going to need. It's got a radius of 9 and a height of 4. I should highlight the feet part as well. And then we need to find the volume. So I'm going to do a different color. Find the volume of the swimming pool in cubic feet. Okay, that's number one. Number two, I like to look at the answers. My go-to whenever I get a problem is boom, I start working it. And then if you look here, they don't work anything out. They're just setting up the problem. Okay, so I would have wasted time trying to work it out. So look at your answers, and sometimes just looking at them, you can eliminate some answers. I'm just going to look here. Every one of these has a 4, and that is the height of our cylinder. Every one of them has a 9. 2 of them the 9 squared, and 2 of them it isn't squared. 2 of them have a 2, 2 of them have a pi, and this one has nothing before the 9. So, okay, so we kind of know what we're looking at here. And now let's go through the formula for volume of a cylinder. And that is the volume is equal to capital B times H. And capital B confused a lot of my students, as it did me actually when I first saw it. And capital B just means the area of the base. And in this case, we're working with a cylinder, so the base is a circle. I'm going to go ahead and draw this out, this swimming pool. It's pretty wide. They're telling us it's 9 feet in as a radius. 9 feet. Okay, so, and it's 4 feet tall, so that thing is 18 feet across. That's pretty substantial for a pool that's 4 feet deep. Anyway, I digress. Okay, so back to our formula. So it's the area of the base. So there's two bases on a cylinder, and they're both circles. And remember, no matter which way, if this were this way, the bases are still circles. It doesn't matter. Okay, so our base is a circle, and the formula for the area of a circle is pi r squared. So what I did here is I just replaced the capital B with pi r squared and then times H. And you might see the formula like this or like this. They're the same thing for cylinder. Okay. Just to note, they use this so it covers other objects. Okay. All right, so here we are. Now all we have to do is compare this to each of these. Okay. The first thing I notice is there's a pi. There's a pi symbol. And this one doesn't have pi, this one doesn't have pi. Only these two have pi. The second thing I notice is the radius is squared. This is the only one where the radius is squared. So that is my answer. This one is not squared. All right? I hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next one.